Recording, go. Just eat it. Don't even think about it.
Oh
no! Swallow it.
good, bro.
Swallow it.
I can't.
You got to just. Oh, he ate about that much.
It's like I'm breathing fire.
You just swallow it.
I already did.
What's your out of milk? Is it really that hot?
Yeah.
I know it's that
It's
hot.
burning my lips. Oh my god, dude. My throat starting to close.
Oh, dude, I can't stop laughing.
Oh shit, dude, my belly's starting to fucking burn.
Dude, I got milk on my hands. Let me wash it off real quick. There you go, Brent. You can record it. I gotta go wash my hands.
Dude, it ain't stopping, bro.
I know, it lasts about 10 minutes. Why'd you spill so much milk? Put it in the garbage if you're gonna spit it out. You gotta follow it, Brent. Good quality. Don't laugh. That is the worst when you laugh when you're drinking. Because every time you laugh, it hurts. Me and Wesley did that when we were eating.
Damn, dude, you got your lips all over that cup, don't you?
Don't laugh, dude. It's the worst. My hands are all sticky now.
Dude, it ain't
Play
stopping.
some basketball and you won't even be thinking about it.
It's getting worse.
And he airballed. That is.
I need milk, bro. I need more milk, dude.
We can't, bro.
What about
The milk gone was all gone. Dude, get the water hose. Where's it going?
I don't know.
Ice cream will be better.
Get you an ice cream, dude. It's over there.
He went. Not them ones. Grant, get over here.
You had to get you one, didn't you?
Soaks up, doesn't it? And Brent, since you did the second one, you gotta eat the other pepper.
Huh?
The little pepper.
Why?
The one that's not hot.
You gonna video record me, dude?
3 minutes in.
It's cooling down a little bit, dude.
Cause you eating that.
His eyes wasn't red.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how hot was it at the beginning?
Dude. Fucking can. It's just burning the side of my lip, dude. Where it touched it. It just barely fucking touched it, dude.
But it wasn't as bad as you thought, is it?
Fucking worse. Stop getting so close. You must start crying.
We got we gotta get those.
Stop getting so close.
Don't laugh, it makes
I'm
it
about to throw
worse.
up, dude.
We gotta get on camera. No, I'm like, did he actually?
No.
Look at this ugly ass boy.
Stop making me laugh, dude. Making me. Dude, that shit went straight to my fucking belly.
For real?
Yes.
That popsicle was good, isn't it?
Yeah.
He eat the plastic.
But yeah, that's how you get on.
That better.
Yeah, that actually does help a little bit.
Ugly ass boy.
Where the ball go?
I don't know. Alright, yeah, is it done heating?
Yeah.
It's done? You sure?
Yeah.
You sure?
It's just hurt my fucking belly now, dude.
Say hi to YouTube. No, it's funny.
No.